Excel English Academy, and today we will read the 5th chapter of Standard 8, The Wooden Bowl, written by Leo Tolstoy. Okay, we all know Leo Tolstoy is a foreign writer, or short you may call novelist. Okay, and in this story, what he had written before start of the chapter, let us recap or read the word stock of this chapter. Okay, short description. Spoiled is caused for. Spoiled means make it useless. Okay, breathe, sorrow. Okay, shrunken, especially, especially, particularly, especially, harshly, raspingly, or gratingly. Scared, frightened, imaginary, fanciful, or that is imaginary means that is not actually exist. Okay, and now we will start the chapter, the wooden bowl. Okay, this is the chapter. See, introduction. Old people often feel insecure as their health starts falling and they are left to live alone when their need for care and rest increases. It means it generally happens in our society. We the peoples, or we the peoples, either ladies or gentlemen, do not take care of their old people of the house or their respective house, or generally old citizen or senior citizens, because during, you may call, in the old age, he or she needs more care and but we oftenly do not take care of them, and at that time when you or anyone will be old one, then we feel what they need to do. Okay, what can the young do to make the elderly people in their families feel more cared for? What we should do so that the old people will feel secure, not insecure, feel good, relaxed, and having you may call trouble free. What we should do? Okay, let us discuss. We all once were child and we were taken care by our parents. Okay, when we were child, we were taken up by our parents, but today we are, or the person who is grown up especially from you may call 10 to 15. Okay, after that in the old age. So in that case, the old people needs more care and rest, and it is our moral obligation to take care of the old people. The story tells the based on this thing. Okay, let us have a short summary of this chapter, both in Hindi as well as in English. Okay, listen. There is a boy named Avi, and he was living with his parents, mom and dad, and grandparents, grandmother and grandfather. Okay, and there were only 2 to 4, 5 members in his family. His family was surviving by plowing the field in the village, in the traditional, you may call traditional land. Okay, but when his grandmother died, his father decided to move to city because his father was employed in a big company. Okay, now that's why he had to move in the city along with the family member. It means mom, dad, grandfather, and himself. Okay, and now it had been. Before that, he had to sell the land. He had to sell the traditional land or old land or parental property. You may call parental land. Okay, and that was the cause of grief. It means cause of sorrow for the old people, it means the grandfather of Avi. And Avi was feeling not well because his traditional land were being sold by his father. And his grandfather was also unhappy. He tried to say the matter to his father, but his father had not listened his sorrows. And after that, both after selling the traditional land, grandfather, mom, dad and Avi settled to the town. But there his mother and father were not taking care of the old grandfather. And grandfather was feeling insecure and living alone, and always he was unhappy. And as Avi thought that my grandfather is my friend who every day tells me stories based on birds, and that inspired me most, and I think it is the real assets for me. It means grandfather is real assets for me. That's why it is my responsibility to take care of my grandfather. Because as his grandfather was old, often he dropped the glass, other eatable items, and this make his mother annoyed, sometimes angry, and have a torrent of words, unkind words. It means not kind words, it means you may call torrents of unkind words, unusual things, unusual words. Okay, you may call abusing. And that things is not of his life. So one day when his mother went to the grandfather, he dropped the glass and broken into a number of pieces. And again his mother cleaned the floor, and after that again one day when his mother gone before the old grandfather having the porridge and glass of milk, and that day due to trembling you may call over weakness, his grandfather dropped the porridge as well as glass, and it shattered, broken into number of pieces. And this made his mom very annoyed. And that day his mom decided, from today I will give you the everything, food, eatable items or anything you want in the wooden bowl, so that it cannot be broken. And at that same time we start rearranging the broken bowl in a such way that it was being decorated in a fashionable way. And his mom and dad were watching, and they asked him surprisingly, interestingly, why you are doing so like this? Avi replies, I am arranging this because I will serve you in the wooden bowl when you were old. Because you are treating my grandfather like this, so I will do with you. And now his mom and dad realize what their future is learning. It means what would be happen with him when he or she or both were old. And that time both his parents decide and realize his mistake, and now from onwards they start treating the grandfather in a positive way and respecting him, always taking care of him, grandfather, and now Avi was happy. This was the story. Okay, short story in English. Okay, now listen. Now we will discuss some questions. Why do old people often feel insecure? I have already told you, the old people often feel insecure in our house or our society. Because we often forget to take care to our old people, and when they need more rest and care. Suppose I am a young man, nobody will take care of me. I know it. I can survive and I can do everything myself. But when I were old, at that time, I should be taken care by my children or my son or daughter, anyone. Okay? It is okay? You have got the answer? Now, is it our moral obligation to look after the old people? Is it necessary, or it is our moral right to take care of the old people? Yes, it is our moral obligation to look after the old grandparents or old people of our village, house, society, or anywhere, so that if we will take care of our parents, old people today, our future generation will take care of mine or ours also. It is the two-way process, give and take. If you don't give the respect, you will never got the respect. Okay? It is the similar, if you will give today, you will take tomorrow. Okay? So my dear friends or my dear friends, you must have to respect your old parents, old parents, mom, dad, and whoever is old in your family, society, or anywhere. Okay, and it is our Indian culture. We suggest it also that we should take care of our grandparents also. Hope you have understood all the things clearly. If you have any problem, then you can ask me through the comment box. Till then, take care and goodbye to all of you. Okay.